Hey guys, I'll introduce the way to remove a cover of ZeroBreeze Mark 1 today. The tools you need is just one number 2 plus and a number 1 plus driver. If you own an electric driver, it would be better. Here is my compact one. First, you need to flip upside down. You have 8 screws to remove. You can go ahead and remove all of them. I will speed up this video. Here are 8 screws. Next, you need to flip upside down again with care. Here is control panel. You need to peel off the control panel first. You need to peel it off very slowly and care. Now you can see there's 3 screws. You can go ahead to remove 3 of them with number 1 plus driver. Now you can pull up the entire cover. Now you see 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can go ahead and remove them. And this is it. Thanks for watching.